Okay, we're going to finish the first half of chapter 2 in this third video. You'll be able to keep up with me. Don't worry. So now we're on the third of 4 definitions. The third kind is institutional holy hype. It's the act of promoting or calling public attention to God, the gospel, a sacred text, a church, a denomination, or a religious cause by communicating through the explicit use of secular imagery, rhetoric, or music a non-commercial message designed to influence the behavior or thought patterns of an audience of current and potential consumers of religion. Number 1, it promotes or draws attention to a religious and/or charitable organization or cause, usually a specific church. And the purpose of the advertising or the use of the product is not commercial. Okay, so far, the only one that's commercial, the only one out of these 3 that's trying to sell you something is secular holy hype. And then we get into the last slide here, which is another of the 4 types that actually has a commercial message and it is trying to sell you something. This is called religious holy hype. It's the act of promoting or calling public attention to religious consumer products or services by communicating through explicit use of religious imagery, rhetoric, or music. A commercial message designed to influence the behavior or thought patterns of an audience of current and potential consumers of those products or services. So let's say I am a religious bookstore. I sell religious articles. I sell mostly religious books. Probably the most popular book that I sell as a religious bookseller is the Bible. Many different kinds, many different versions, but I am selling a religious thing. And let's say I make an ad for myself and I use religious symbols in it. It makes sense, right? It's religious going with religion. I may sell bookmarks. There you go. Religious bookmarks usually have a proverb or some quote from the Bible, and I would advertise it in a religious way. That really is the best way to advertise these things. So at any rate, so those are the meanings of it. That is what I want you to understand for right now. And then you will read the first, it's marked where you stop. You read the first 13 pages, I believe, of the chapter. And then for Thursday, you read the last 10 pages of the chapter. And then I will add something for tomorrow's discussion board. And we'll be all set. Remember, when you come to Canvas, come to the home page, you will have instructions at the top in an announcement. Please read those. Please know what you're supposed to do. The attendance, quote, discussion board, the attendance board is for typing in your name only, not for making comments, not for saying hi to me, which is great. That's fine. You can say hi, but I need your name also, and I need your name during the time of our session. Okay? All right. See you tomorrow.